Have you ever heard someone say, "It's just a mere detail," and wondered what a mere really means? Let's find out, because this small word carries a lot of meaning. The word mere, pronounced mere or mere, is an adjective. It means only, nothing more than, or just. We use it to make something seem small, unimportant, or simple. For example, he's a mere child. Meaning he's just a child, nothing more. It's a mere scratch. Meaning it's only a small scratch, not serious at all. So, when you use a mere, you're minimizing something, you're saying it's less important or less significant than it might seem. Let's look at some synonyms of a mere. Only, just, simple, pure, sheer. And here are a few antonyms, words that mean the opposite. Significant, major, important, considerable. Here are more example sentences. The movie lasted a mere 30 minutes, but it was unforgettable. Don't underestimate her, she's not a mere assistant, she runs the entire team. Winning wasn't luck, it wasn't by a mere chance, it was skill and hard work. Isn't it fascinating how this short, simple word can change the tone of a sentence completely? It can make something sound smaller or less important, all with just 4 letters. Keep learning new words and building your English confidence, right here on Thesaurus Thrive.